Hello learners, welcome to PyGeek. So today in this video we will be seeing how to print current date and time in required format. So here I am using Visual Studio Code and you can use any IDE, basically PyCharm, or even you can use Python's own idle. Okay, so to print current date and time, all we need is datetime module. So let's first import datetime, and now we need to create our required format. So in what format we need current date and time. So I will first create a variable named format, and I will create a format by specifying a string. So there are specifiers which need to be used in order to have a proper format. For example, to print year, I will use specifier capital Y, and I will put a separator. For month, I will use specifier small m, and for date, I will use small d. So this becomes our format for date, month, and year. In order to have a format for time, again we have a different specifier. For example, capital H, let's put a separator as a colon, then capital M for minute and capital S for seconds. Now our format is ready. Now all we need is a datetime object. So let's create a datetime object. By using datetime module. So we'll do datetime dot now. So the now method will return the exact date and time at the point of execution of this line. Now we have datetime object. Now we will use strf time method. So let's create a variable which will be a string variable datetime, and we'll apply strf method on our datetime object. Strf time, and let's specify a format. So we have created this format. We will pass that format variable as an argument to strf time, and now we have current date time as a string format. So to check that, let's print. Now let's run the program to see the for current date time. Yeah, so here you can see year, this is month, and this is the date, and this is the time in hours, minutes, and seconds format. So we can play with this. We can have a different separator. So let's change the separator, and yeah, let's save this and run again. So you can see whatever format we need, we can print the date and time. So if you guys are interested in other type of specifiers you can use, you can go to the Python's website and search for the datetime module, and on this particular page you can see what other type of a specifiers, or we can say a format codes, you can use to get different types of format. I will put link of this page in the description. If you guys think you learned something, then please hit the like. If you have any queries, put those in the comment, and please do consider to subscribe to this channel for more informative video regarding Python tricks and tips. So that's it for today. We'll see you guys in my next video.